Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, still in Northumberland, and yeah, didn't expect to be doing another video today. So obviously we went out to the puffing cruise over at Amble. Thought we'd be there longer than we were. Heavens opened. It was absolutely slinging it down. So we headed back to the lodge, spent a bit of time with Layla, and now we're blessed with glorious sunshine. Now, we've come to, is it Druridge Bay? Now the reason we're here is because we came here on what was our second evening, just for a walk along the beach and stuff. And there was quite a few small birds. See, if I swing around this way, sorry, excuse the sun, you can see all these dunes. There were some small birds in there. Unfortunately, I'd only brought landscape gear, not knowing what was down here. And I did get a couple of pictures, but we didn't actually do anything on video. Now I'm going to stick them up for you in a minute. Tripping over me words. And yeah, we're actually going to go see if we can find any small birds in those dunes again. Stick with us. Let's see what we can get. I think it was actually up. Was it around there that they were, or was it further down? No, I don't know either. Okay, so no luck with the small birds at the minute. But we have actually managed to find some water birds, which is quite pleasing. I did think we weren't going to see any, but yeah, no small birds. And I've got 3 different shots of water birds, so there's a nice surprise. I have no idea what they are, so I'm going to have to get on Merlin when I get the images back on the computer. I'm not very up to date with me seabirds and water birds, but they're all very small and cute, and I'm sure you guys probably know what they are anyway. So yeah, we're still having a bimble further down the beach, and we're going to see if we can see anything else. So yeah, I'll stick those images up now. Let's crack on. Okay, so what was turned into a bit of a failure has turned into quite an epic seabird shoot. That was not the plan at all, but then again, wouldn't be me if things went to plan. So we've just turned round on the beach now because we're heading back towards the car. Car park closes at 7 and it's now 5 to 6, so we're getting a bit of a shimmy on. Walking down the edge of the water, as you can see, the sea's just behind me. And yeah, some dark clouds have just come over, so it's getting a bit ominous, and we're waiting for the showers that have been predicted. So hopefully we'll be back in the car before we get too soggy. So all in all, so far I'd call this a really successful bimble, to be honest with you. Quite a nice little unexpected trip out. So yeah, we're going to keep making a shimmy on down the beach. See if luck throws me any more birds. Stick around. Well, we're almost back at the car now, and I think that's pretty much it done, to be fair. I'd say we're trying to beat these clouds. That sky looks pretty epic behind me, to be fair. But not only that, as well, it seems like we're walking to an area of the beach that's quite quiet. As far as birds are concerned, they seem to be loving it back there. Yeah, when we came down here the other day, we didn't actually make it that far down the beach. So it was quite nice to see. And I'd say, nice little surprise. Did not expect to be photographing water birds based on our last visit down here. So I'm happy. It's a good job I brought the right gear and all. So, well, I'm going to sign out now anyway. Just a little bimble video. And yeah, obviously, oh, let me hold the camera. If you like the video, give us the old thumbs up and drop some subscribes from down the bottom. And don't forget to press that notification bell. And yeah, this is Mike out. Take care and be safe, everyone. Peace.